Today we're going to do something different. I'm going to do a weird makeup with you instead of just regular makeup. We're going to do Beetlejuice, but different, like half clown, half skull. I don't know, it might look too much, but we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to start with the skull. I always start with a gray eyeliner and outline anything I'm going to be cutting out. Paint some white stripes. Now go ahead and add little twinkles. We'll make those better in a minute. This is just the base of the skull, so I'm going to go ahead and paint the other half the color of our base. I've made myself pretty white, well, pale. I used this mixed with my normal foundation because I don't want to be like stark white, just pale. And it looks okay. A little patchy. So what I've done is went and outlined my black of the eye with some white, and we're going to cut out the mouth. And don't worry, it looks sloppy, but it'll look better, I promise. I just added some gray shadows, and now I am going in and pulling off the black and the white where I'm going to put my teeth with micellar water and a Q-tip, of course. Now I'm just painting some teeth, and I did some shadows. They look kind of bad, but I'll blend in a minute. And outline the outside, and it kind of makes it look more 3D, I think. Tell me if it looks bad. So this is what we got. I fixed the nose a little bit, and now I'm going to do the other side. Now I'm going to add purple in a circle here and then around the mouth. Keep blending. Green, and we're going to use it to contour the nose. Splatter some green dots on, and then take purple and go right there. Connect it like this, and then put light. Connect this and drag it down into a point. Put a purplish shimmery shade here, and then we're going to go in with a green liner. Fill this in with black, and then create 2 triangles. Paint your spooky stripes. So I just added some details. This is what we have with the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. What do you want to see